Morning, welcome to Kardon Haynes. This is our BMW 335i M Sport Saloon on a 2013 year in the Estoril blue, and we have added a aesthetic M Sport M Performance style body kit on this. These cars are phenomenal. One step off a M3, bit of a sleeper, doesn't have the looks of an M3, but it's got the power, and anyone that knows these cars know that this car will definitely be a future classic. This one has relatively low miles, it's the right colour, it's the right spec, so yeah, obviously it's got the front splitter there, kidney grills, it has the parking sensors, it's got the 19-inch alloys, we have the M3 style wing mirrors, side skirts, privacy glass, boot lip spoiler, rear diffuser, and these sexy twin exhausts, one either side on these 335i's. Rear parking sensors also. Good size boot on these. I don't know whether the car's open. Yes, it is. There you go. This car has absolutely fantastic service history, which is all documented on the website. Dakota leather. It's very high spec, this car as well. Definitely one to use and definitely one to put away at the same time. You've got the electric memory seats, we've got the Harman Kardon, we have heated seats, sunroof. This car's full specification is on the website. The previous owner has put in an upgraded professional sat-nav screen with Apple CarPlay, which is also there. It's quite handy. I think we do have the original as well, but don't hold me to that. We do sell a few cars, so I think we've got it. Yeah, it's an absolutely stunning car. We do take part exchanges, we offer finance. If you go to www.kardonhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.